If you want to check voicemail messages on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all we're gonna go to the phone app. Over here, make sure that the keypad option is selected, and you should be able to press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial the voicemail, and then of course you should be able to listen to messages that someone might have left you. Besides that, if you cannot reach voicemail like that, it doesn't work, maybe there is incorrect voicemail number or something like that, then in that case you want to tap on these 3 dots in the upper right corner, and then you want to open the settings. Over here in settings we should be able to scroll down and we want to go to voicemail, and then here we have the voicemail number option, so you can edit this voicemail number and fix it. Of course, if you don't know what number you need to enter over here, you can either try to contact your carrier or service provider and ask them about the voicemail number, or you can try to simply Google that information. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.